Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to make this awesome slime. Let's get started. You'll be needing borax, glue, something to stir in, food coloring which is optional, and essential oil as well. We'll also be needing water. Add as much glue as you want. Add some water. Stir it until you see no glue clumps. This is how mine looks like after about 2 minutes of stirring. Now, if you want to add some color to your slime, just get some food coloring and add as many drops as you want into your glue and water solution. Here's mine. I wasn't really expecting this color because it looks kind of like hot sauce, but let's just add the water and borax solution into it. Get warm water and just put your borax in there. Stir it together until it dissolves. Slowly start adding your borax and water solution into your glue mixture. You'll see instantly it turns into slime. And then just keep on putting until you get the consistency you want. And I just added my essential oils into my mixture. Once it becomes too thick to stir, take it out with your hand and just keep on playing with it. Here's how my slime turned out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!